In today's video, I'm going to show you Blackbox AI review. Is it really worth it? Blackbox AI is an AI coding assistant that many users praise for its ability to accelerate mundane tasks, boilerplate code, unit tests, and code refactoring. Developers say that its explain code feature does a decent job breaking down messy or legacy scripts into understandable steps, especially in more commonly used languages like Python or JavaScript. These features make it attractive for people who want to move faster or learn by example. Despite these positives, there are significant and recurring complaints that suggest worth it depends heavily on how much risk you're willing to accept. A common problem is that people report getting charged even after canceling free trials. Others say their account never upgraded even after payment, or they were billed for subscriptions they didn't explicitly renew. Support seems to be a sticking point. Slow responses, and in many cases, users feel ignored. Several Trustpilot reviews accuse Blackbox of unjust billing, subscriptions without consent, and poor follow up on refunds. Another major concern is transparency, both how the credit system works, how many credits per request, which features use more, and how well the tool delivers on accuracy. Some users say outputs are occasionally wrong or misaligned with what they expect, wrong library versions, missing edge cases, errors in suggestions. Privacy and security also come up. Since you often upload or allow access to your code repositories, there's risk in using the tool with proprietary or sensitive code. Some users worry about how well Blackbox protects that code, especially if the service stores or processes it off your machine. In conclusion, Blackbox AI can offer real value for many developers, especially for prototyping, learning, or speeding up routine tasks. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.